Hey everybody, Paul Wooten here, back to you with another Matchbox mainline release L, which is D or Mix 4, however we want to categorize this. So I laid it out for you. It's one of the pieces that will be in it. Check your Walmarts. I just found this case hanging on the pegs in 3 Walmarts. So you might want to go check them out if you're interested in some models that's in here. So let's go ahead and cut this guy open. I'll show you that it's a fresh case and it's not just peg stuff. There we go. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Some of you have already seen unboxings of this, but I appreciate those that come to my channel and check out mine. So first off, we've got 2 of the Cool Mud. It is the 60s Jeep 4x4. Very cool background. Got the fog lights on and the headlights on. Very cool release. Got 2 of those in this case. Looks like we got a Unimog, the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. What is that? 0300. Nice piece. We've seen this one before. Let's get this. This is the Dodge Charger. Very nice representation of the car. 18 Dodge Charger. It's got the lights on also. The lights are not on that one. The driving lights aren't anyway. That's pretty sweet. So then we've got the Pier. What is it? The Seagrave fire engine. Very nice. Pull down, we see the card. Got another one of the Nissan vans. Did a video on opening up what's inside my diecast. Nothing's in it. We've got the return of the Baby Gauge, the boat. Nice model. We've seen it released before. We've got the 65 Land Rover Gen 2. Just kind of want to show you something here on these 2 models. So yeah, we received 2 of them, but the roof, the attachment on the roof is different. And the attachment on top is removable. That would be another reason why they blacked out the windows on this one. Let's kind of take a, I'm going to take a second here and we're going to crack one that I found on the pegs. Just do an insert in the middle of this video, and let's go ahead and take this piece off. And yes, it's shaped just like the piece that's on the wagon and the little Overlander trailer, so you can swap these out upon those 3 vehicles. That is very cool that they've done that. So we got 2 of those in this case. Looks like we got 2 of the 12 Ford Explorer SUV Police. Man, that is awesome. Look at the lights all lit up on that. They're nice as long as they're not behind you, right, y'all? So we got 2 of those in this case. Then we've got this nice convertible Mustang. That is the 18 Ford Mustang convertible. Lights are on it. Nice background. Never really been a huge fan of convertibles, but this one looks really nice. Okay, so we've got the second color of the 17 Honda Civic. That is a nice piece also. And looks like we got 2 of those in this case. For a minute there, I thought I had a shade variation, but nope, they're the same color. So now we've got the 2 skid steers. Seems like they've wear the skid steer out over the last couple years. But it is cool. Nice model. I'm a little disappointed in this piece here, which I like it, but it's the Maxcavator. Only thing metal on there is that swivel cab. The rest of the truck is plastic. Base is plastic. The cab's plastic. Of course, the shovel is plastic, but this metal area where the operator sits in it is metal. But if we want to pay 97, 92 cents, 94 cents for these things, this is what we have to kind of sacrifice. Got another one of the Chevy Blazers, which is one of my favorites. The 89 Chevy Blazer 4x4 in the police deco. Loving the police decos. We've got the Acre Maker tractor. We've got another one of the 35 Ford pickup truck, which is awesome. Another one. And maybe why there's quite a few of them hanging on the pegs when I go to the pegs. This is also another peg warmer. The RSO 18 tank, which is a nice model. And we got a second one. And last but not least is this Ridge Raider. I really like this model. I had quite a few variations of it. I didn't realize how many there was of it till I started trying to find them. But that is the Mix D or Mix 4 L case D. But very nice models. Very nice. So I guess the highlight of this case would be this Dodge Charger would be one of my favorite picks. And of course the Police Explorer. Comment down below which one of these models are your favorite from this case. And also tell me which one you don't like. Do me a favor, hit a thumbs up if you like the presentation. If you don't, tell me why. Subscribe if you would. I'd appreciate it very much. And I actually got the next case. I actually got the M case, which is the E case Mix 5. Coming soon. Stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss it. Let me give you a better picture to look at on the way out.